Welcome. RRB record 311 post. It is in isolated category. Vacancy is 311. Qualification is a 12th LLB MBA master degree. Salary will be starting from 35,400. Last date 29/1/2026. So senior publicity inspector, lab assistant, junior translator, public prosecutor, scientific assistants, and etc. So application will be available in online mode in rrbapply.gov.in. So don't forget, date will be started in 30 to 30/12 to 2025 to 29/1/2026. Application fees SC/ST 250, other application 500, and SC/ST people they are refundable, and other applications of 400 is refundable. Payment mode is a online mode. So computer based test, medical test, certificate verification, translator test. Thank you.